Hello guys, this is Shiradip once again. Welcome to my channel Programming Basic. Hello guys, welcome to the second video of Learn Kotlin. Now in the previous video we have opened IntelliJ IDEA and we have created our project learning series. Now in this video we're going to learn about how to create the Hello World program. Before that, let us check what is IntelliJ IDEA has different options. You can see there are project, package, project files, open files and scratch systems controls. You can look your project in various different ways. We will select project level and we're gonna go through each of the individual folder. As I have mentioned earlier, .idea file is auto-generated. It has the workspace information of your project, what is the project is all about, from where the path is there, and etc. What are the different modules you will find in this. Apart from that, you have the IML file where it says it's a Java module and the order entry are being given, which is the library which I have already covered. We have selected Kotlin Java Runtime. So this project is a Kotlin Java Runtime project. Now, all the main files and folders which we're gonna create for our project will reside in SRC folder. Now, we will go ahead and create a new Kotlin file under this SRC. We'll right click on SRC, we'll click on new and we will select Kotlin class or file. We will give the name as main.kt and we'll select the option as file. Once you open option as file and main.kt, so kt stands for Kotlin. As for Java, we have .java files. For Kotlin, we have .kt files. Now we will go ahead and write the function main. So here you write fun as a function and main as main and open and close bracket with that. Here the function main is an empty function that we have written. Now we will expand the function and we will try to print some statement. So we will use println hello world. Now unlike Java, you don't have to put semicolon inside each of the statement block. In the println, this is a system level function which you can see prints the given message and the line separator to the standard output stream. It internally uses system.out.println. Now coming back to main.kt, if you run this program, it should print hello world. Based upon your system speed, it will print the hello world. That's it for this video. We'll see you next time. Thank you. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.